One bright morning, a black crow sat on a mango tree, feeling very bored.
Caw, caw, caw. Something exciting would happen.
Just then, a bright green parrot flew in with a cheerful smile.
Good morning, Mr. Crow. What a beautiful day to be happy.
Wow! You are so colorful. Did you fall into a paint box?
No, silly. I just eat fruits and stay cheerful.
You speak very nicely. I can talk too.
But the crow shouted so loudly that a dog sleeping below woke up.
Oh no, not so loud. You're scaring everyone.
But I don't have a good voice.
See? Talking is good, but shouting isn't polite.
Can you teach me how to speak?
Speak politely and kindly, and everyone will like you.
Mr. Parrot teaches how to speak kindly, with sweet words and a cheerful voice.
Thank you, Mr. Parrot. You taught me how to speak nicely. I will always speak politely and kindly now.
From that day onwards, the crow and the parrot became good friends. They talked kindly, helped each other, and shared happy moments every day. The crow spoke politely, the parrot smiled proudly, and the forest felt brighter. Their friendship showed everyone one simple truth. Kind words make beautiful friendships that last forever.